Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya.
Today nje angifuni ukuxabana namuntu lokhu busy you're still in my country. Bathi lubele ukuthi ene sihluliwe ini kade ubhizi nalabo abayizolo bekhuluma ngathi kabi. Uhamba ukhuluma ngathi kabi. Ongikushoyo ukuthi futhi ayikambiyekini. How? South Africa lokhu busy uthi xenophobic. Xenophobic makwenze njani? Just because imagine manje ikhuluma iqiniso sekufanele manje sihlezi sisaba sithi oh my gosh, oh no, ungahlala. No, hamba uye. Mangabona ama-video ama-Nigerians ekhuluma ngathi esinje please thina suppose eMexico and ama-Nigerians akukho la bewafuna khona guys. I don't know why are we continuing like this. Ama-Nigerians abawafuni. Yey, e-Thailand nje awasangeni. Umuntu afike ephethe ama-passport awu-4. Ubrothers, I'm South African. Oh, how are you South African? I-accent ithini? Kulo mzuzu. Vele athi amaphoyisa asesayileni lalela. Sawazi ama-South Africans ukuthi akhuluma njani. Suka. Indaba bebakhahlela bethambani. Hamba. Babahambisa. Manje senibhizi nithi nizama ukubukisa ngathi ngeke hamba nje. Ngeke uzukwazi ukuhamba nje emgaqweni owodwa nami today lokhu ubhizi lebele uthi nihluliwe inini asina ndaba hamba. Mina that's all that I'm saying. Ke very insasena nabantu ngapha uJulius Malema is losing members, top members. Bashisa ikipa bathi nje iyisikhathelo wena lokhu ubhizi usilethela labantu igebengu nje uzivulela igebengu at border. Hayi ungazusijwayela kabi. Abantu abaye emakubo mina ngihleli kulelo legal or not. Hamba nje uyakini sibaningi guys ngeke thina we are the only ones esithathe abantu abawu 5.5 in African countries we number 1 landela iCordovo. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi enable labo bantu bavelaphi. Abantu abaye bakuba ngisathi sebesikhuluma kabi la izolo. Behlekisa ngathi ke kasiyona thina inhlekisa. We will revive ourselves and come back. Bezidlala abantu hamba. Yazi lento le yama-foreigners iyafana nje neka-Mel Viljoen. Cause uMel wahamba la esikhuluma kabi yeso. Yeah. Athi uMel no, angisekho safe, akukho nje right eSouth Africa siyahamba mina ndoda yami sokwenza imali. But mina, what amazes me is that indoda kaMel guys, uPete Viljoen, lo muntu was struck off the roll. He's not a lawyer anymore. Kodwa uthi I know he was just about masboshwa. When we were stealing there in US. Although she doesn't want to agree to that. It's just like, oh no, we didn't steal. And then she walks off at ENCA's interview there. Hey, yo guys, I'm just like Gable says, come down. Like Konzagalan, sit down. You know, people are not fighting with you. You did steal. It's in such a logo by US. Before ICE inside when I need the diak, and then the next thing the diak is still stuck there in the US as Zobiani. He was just about to practice a game. Gigi guys, when you were staying in that motel, that didn't look like your man was just about to practice. It's the same as foreigners. Mina ngithe legal or not umuntu akayikubo. Yeah, I'm there manje. Sengifike lapho. Kuthi ngifike nini I don't even know nam. But singe lapho. Cause ula but ukhuluma ngami kabi. Uthi ngizenophobic. Ngisho all sorts of things. I'm just like, hambe guy. It's maningi guys. You can't even move your leg in South Africa. Uthi nje step mase emgaqweni napha. Bala. I'm just like yebo. Kuthi ukhuluma kabi ngami. Khuluma kabi ngathi. Ay, hamba. No Mel, it's the same thing. Wayesikhuluma kabi uMel edelela. I'm just like bazi bakusiza e-US bakuxoshwa. Ngeke uphinde uye. Wahamba ukhuluma ngathi kabila. Manje you don't even know what to say. You zenze slim and you walk off some interview. What are you doing? Like ukuphelele I guess. Yeah, uMel was disrespectful and then mayiqeda lapho she was actually deported in the US. Yeah, usaqhubeka nokuyisa uMel will never stop. You understand? Uyadelela kuma Real Housewives wayidelela eba-controller, eba-recorder, ebenza all sorts of things ezingekho right. And stuff now is backfiring you just like ayibongenzeni what's going on. Kanti wena just become a better person now. Ushintshe. Ube right ebantwini ungabi kanje. Usikhuluma kabi la. Uthi ama-South Africans njani ngikho safe. But ubuyile. I'm just like, what the age? ELL is going on with you. Don't forget njalo ukuthi internet doesn't forget. We also don't forget, and especially for me, I also have a channel where I do reality shows. So uncle, I mean, the stuff that Mel has done, guys, is crazy out there. Umeli is the same person that stole. So basically, she's actually a common thief. She also stole a franchise. Yabona ukuthi uyayithanda i-United States of America. Wantshontsha i-franchise usisi. Ithi imithela wathi yakhe. They were suing her. Just like this lady. I'm so happy. So happy Melane is on the floor laughing. And it's not the first time. Even when she was arrested, she was on social media. She was like, Ikama is something else.
Let's talk about why you left South Africa then. Were you running?
No.
You were going to go start a new business.
As I said, we wanted to expand into the US, our business, and also Piet was going to practice as a lawyer. I've explained that in detail.
So how did that go?
It went well. Piet did very well, and he was about to become a lawyer in the United States.
Okay, so why did you get arrested?
So what happened with the arrest is that the public's matter happened because my card started declining quite a few times actually, and I didn't know what the problem was. But I left it there. I didn't think anything of it. The card started declining, and then what happened was I would tell Piet, listen, go and pack the stuff in the car in the meantime, and I will sort out the payment. So I would ask the clerk for a slip, and he would give me the slip and I would go pay cash at a different teller. But they didn't see that part. So when the police spoke to me, they said to me, but my card declined. So my money is up. And I said, but my money is definitely not up. Didn't you see where I paid cash? And she said, cash that you got where? So I was shocked to see that even with the police, that the amount started varying. It was $1,000, then it became $5,000. I'm sure you are beautifully unaware that it became $3,000 recently. Not something that you would have done your homework on.
I've done my homework. It's actually $5,300.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. If you go on to what the judge, when Piet spoke to the immigration judge, he said it was $3,000.
All right. So we are told by U.S. authorities that it's $5,300, right? So that's what we're going to go with because you're back in South Africa because you were found to be stealing in another country.
I don't think this conversation is going anywhere. With respect, you invited me on false pretenses.
I did not invite you. We're just getting started. I want you to have your say.
I don't need ENCI to have a say. You have been very, very nasty. You haven't given me the opportunity, and
Mal, we're literally just getting started. No, I want you to have your say. I'm not bullying you. I would really like you to have your say.
You've been a terrible person to me. I'm not taking this abuse.
Okay? Mal, I really don't want you to feel abused. Please, I'd really like you to finish this interview.